Have you ever thought about whether that expensive superfood powder is really as good for your health as it claims to be, or whether it's simply a marketing gimmick? What if the key to achieving maximum health is not found in unusual ingredients, but rather in the ordinary meals that you are already familiar with? Stay tuned as we reveal the truth about superfoods by distinguishing between what is true and what is false. Why continue watching? In this video, we will explore the research behind famous superfoods, uncovering which ones really provide health advantages and which ones are overhyped. We will look at the latest research, dispel some common misconceptions, and provide you useful advice on how to make educated decisions about your nutrition. Stay with us until the finish, and we will reveal an unexpected common item that is frequently ignored in the superfood craze, but is really incredibly nutritious. Number 7. Getting to know the superfood phenomenon. Who is the biggest beneficiary of the superfood industry? Despite its frequent use in the health sector, the term superfood lacks a scientific definition. It is mostly a marketing word for foods that are rich in nutrients and thought to provide health advantages. Although several superfoods such as berries and nuts are very nutritious, no one meal can deliver all of the needed elements or prevent illnesses on its own. Experts stress the need for maintaining a balanced diet and recommend eating a wide range of foods, including fruits, vegetables, meats, and whole grains. If you just consume superfoods, you could not get all the nutrients you need. Therefore, it is better to have a nutritious diet that includes a variety of foods rather than concentrating on fashionable components. Number 6. The marketing strategy for superfoods. Superfoods' appeal stems more from their marketing strategies than from scientific data. Acai berries, quinoa, and kale are examples of foods that have been heavily marketed as being very nutritious. This has frequently resulted in increased demand and higher pricing. Although these meals are rich in nutrients, the word superfood is not a scientific categorization. It is a marketing phrase that is used to attract customers. Many common foods, such as berries, spinach, and legumes, have comparable or even higher health advantages without the excessive marketing. Furthermore, the superfood movement often emphasizes exotic foods, which might cause local choices that are as healthy and more accessible to be overlooked. Experts stress that it is far more vital to eat a well-balanced and varied diet than to depend on a small number of so-called superfoods. Consumers may make better and more affordable decisions about their diets if they understand the marketing driving these trends. Number 5. Disproving popular misconceptions about superfoods. Who has to be careful while eating specific superfoods because of allergies or health problems? Let's take a look at some common misconceptions about superfoods.
Myth 1. Superfoods have the ability to cure illnesses. Even though some foods are high in healthy antioxidants and minerals, none can cure illness. It is a mistake to depend just on superfoods to avoid sickness. It is essential to eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and make positive lifestyle choices. Myth 2. Exotic superfoods are superior. Some people think that unusual superfoods such as goji berries or spirulina are better than regular fruits and vegetables. In fact, locally grown fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and blueberries provide similar nutritious advantages at a more affordable price. Myth 3. Superfoods are a surefire way to lose weight. No one meal will help you lose weight. Eating superfoods will not make up for an unhealthy diet. In order to lose weight in a sustainable manner, you need to eat a balanced diet, regulate your portions, and exercise regularly. Number 4. The advantages of certain superfoods that are supported by evidence. Who should eat more foods that are high in antioxidants, such as berries? Although the term superfood is often used too much, there are certain foods that have extraordinary health advantages that are backed by science. Berries, blueberries, and strawberries are examples of berries that are strong in antioxidants, which aid in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have linked regular consumption of these berries to improved heart health and enhanced cognitive performance. Vegetables with leafy greens. Spinach and kale are examples of dark leafy greens that are high in fiber, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. These nutrients may help keep bones healthy, strengthen the immune system, and perhaps lower the chances of developing chronic illnesses. Seeds and nuts. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent sources of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They have been linked to less inflammation, better heart health, and more effective weight control. Number 3. Why it's important to have a variety of diets. If you depend too heavily on a small number of superfoods, you may end up with nutritional imbalances since no one item has all of the vitamins and minerals that your body requires. A healthy diet includes a range of foods such as whole grains, lean meats, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats in order to provide balanced nutrition. Whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa are a source of fiber and give long-lasting energy. Lean proteins such as fish, chicken, and lentils help with muscle development and repair. Fruits and vegetables offer antioxidants and essential vitamins, while the heart benefits from the healthy fats found in nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Eating a variety of foods is more beneficial than just eating a few fashionable superfoods since it promotes better health, a stronger immune system, and long-term well-being. Number 2. The function of processed superfood products. Who should stay away from processed superfood goods that have a lot of sugar in them? There are a lot of processed items on the market that are marketed as superfoods, including powders, bars, and supplements. Although some may be convenient, they are generally high in added sugars and preservatives, and they may not have the fiber that whole foods do. In order to get the most health advantages from superfoods, it is usually best to eat them in their original state. Number 1. Considerations of sustainability and ethics. The popularity of some superfoods might cause problems for the environment and raise ethical concerns. For example, the demand for quinoa has affected local populations where it is traditionally farmed, and over-collection of wild superfoods may cause damage to ecosystems. When you choose foods that are grown locally and sustainably, you are supporting both your own health and the health of the environment. The superfood that's not getting enough attention. Who might benefit from including more beans and lentils in their diet for improved health? As promised, we present a common food deserving of the title of superfood: beans and lentils. These legumes are rich in protein, fiber, iron, and folate. They promote a healthy heart, assist with digestion, and help keep blood sugar levels stable. Adding beans and lentils to your diet is a cost-effective and efficient approach to improving your nutrition. If you like this inquiry, you may like our video, The Truth About Superfoods. What really works and what's a myth? That video addresses diet myths and offers evidence-based recommendations to help you make healthy decisions. Click now to view it.